మొబైల్ కంపెనీ బిగ్ సి కస్టమర్లకు మరింత చేరువయ్యేందుకు హీరోయిన్ ఇలియానాను తన బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ గా ఎంచుకుంది. హైదరాబాద్ తాజ్ బంజారాలో ఆ కార్యక్రమం జరుగుతోంది. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Making a lot of curiosity about it.
Anyway, I like opening gifts.
Yeah, I think you can open it from here.
Okay.
Like this one.
Sorry. There we go.
Yeah. Ileana, the #1 actress of Tollywood, has been signed brand ambassador Big C, the #1 mobile retail group, on the 2nd day of 2009. Okay. So, the festive season, Christmas is ahead, and for us, even it's a festival because it's our anniversary, it's our 7th anniversary. We would ask somebody can get the cake. We just cut our 7th anniversary cake. And on the anniversary, everybody of our customers who supported us from last 7 years, and also the customers who are going to support us for the coming years and make us successful all the way. We have a scheme which is launched, and it's like buy a mobile and win gifts. We have bumper gifts like the Ford Fiesta, and also 10 air conditioner, 10 refrigerators, and so many lots of lot. We also did so many successful schemes before, and this is also going to rock, and this is going to be there till the festive end. So I request all the customers, so take use of this, and I thank everybody who supported us in a huge way. Ma Big C సంస్థకి ఇప్పుడు దాకా సహకరించిన కస్టమర్లందరికీ ఇక ముందు కూడా మా కస్టమర్లుగా అవుతున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా పేరు పేరున ఈ సందర్భంగా ఈ 7 సంవత్సరాలు ఇంత